This month, the video productions team made significant additions to the 20 cubic foot DC refrigerator video library, expanding it with a series of new troubleshooting resources. These new videos include step-by-step guidance on testing a control board, servicing shelf assemblies, and troubleshooting lockout mode, giving technicians even more tools to diagnose and resolve issues efficiently. Over on the Technical Institute channel, we've released Season 2, Episode 1 of the Technical Institute show. In this episode, Mark and Jason walk viewers through what it really means to be road ready in an RV. They cover essential topics like tire safety, battery health, smoke alarm checks, and how not to overload your RV. The episode takes a humorous, lighthearted, yet informative approach to RV preparedness that's both engaging and practical. You can find all these resources on the Lippert main YouTube channel, as well as the Lippert Technical Institute channel. Now, let's check in with Mark to see what's new with the Technical Publications team.
This month, the Technical Publications team has released several new documents designed to help installers and owners get the job done right the first time. First, we've released the Solera 110-volt residential awning installation manual. This manual walks users through every detail of installation, providing clear step-by-step guidance to ensure a precise and successful installation from start to finish. Next, we've added the Lippert Marine Ladder OEM Installation Manual. This document explains where and how to properly install the marine ladder onto your boat, helping ensure safe placement and long-term reliability. Finally, get patriotic with the USA 250 Awning Sunshade Installation and Owner's Manual. This article details how to install the USA 250 Sunshade onto the roll tube of either a manual or 12-volt awning, giving users flexibility and clear instructions for proper setup. You can find all of these documents and many more on the Lippert support site. Now, let's check in with Lauren and see what's new in the classroom.
Thank you, Mark. With summer right around the corner, we are officially in full swing for RV training event season for both technicians and owners. No matter where you are on your RV journey, we have an in-person training experience designed for you. Our RV owner schools are built to boost your confidence on the road through practical, real-world learning. We have lecture-style seminars coming up soon in Las Vegas, Nevada and Hershey, Pennsylvania. If you're looking for something more hands-on, we also offer immersive 3-day events at our facility here in Indiana. These sessions are tailored to each attendee, giving you the opportunity to learn about the Lippert products on your rig straight from the source. Spots are filling up quickly, so be sure to reserve your seat soon. If you're an RV technician looking for training, our technician service schools provide in-depth, hands-on instruction here at our Indiana facility. You will gain valuable technical knowledge across a wide range of Lippert products while also earning credit for your time spent training with us. We have sessions scheduled in June and July, and we would love to have you join us this summer. If you are unable to make it to our facility, we've got seminars coming up in Nevada, Florida, and Pennsylvania, so be sure to check them out. These are just a few highlights from this last month and for what is coming up here at the Technical Institute. From our engaging YouTube channels to the comprehensive online learning platform of our Technical Institute and our ever-helpful support site, we've got you covered. Each resource is thoughtfully designed to inspire, educate, and empower. Whether you're just starting your RV journey or you're a seasoned technician, there's something valuable for everyone. Don't forget to join us next time as we explore our latest releases. We look forward to seeing you there.